Well, I did it again. I'm over here in Indiana, just kind of bombing around with nothing to do. So I found myself over here at this Medora covered bridge. It's pretty epic. I thought I'd take you in there and kind of show you through. This thing was built in 1875. J.J. Daniels. It's a pretty extraordinary statement of craftsmanship. East Fork of the East Fork of the White River, that is. This thing is pretty awesome. You can see it's I don't know if you hear that, but at the other end of things, just down here, is a flock of cranes that migrate here. Let's go see this. Anyway, Medora Bridge, you guys are ever out here, it's pretty extraordinary bridge. These things, there's a few of them in Indiana. They're always a treat to go see. This one has been rehabbed, but it's still, the bones of it are original, and it is definitely worth seeing. I don't know how, honestly, not sure how long this bridge is. This bridge is the longest historic bridge in the nation. 431 feet. Nice. I'm under the impression that the city bought this, state maybe, and they are going to rehab this place. I don't know that all of these kilns are going to stay, but I actually think that there used to be many, many more than what is here now. I think there used to be double this amount. There's that dog still here, straggling dog here. Yeah. Kind of eerie. These are all numbered. This is number 9. I don't know how many there was. I'll try to find that out. Pretty extraordinary though. You know, I think they build one of these and then they just fire bricks until they can build another one. And just keep going. Pretty awesome. About to embark on this gravel journey up the hill here. I'm kind of excited. I guess I'm going to take this little straggling dog with me because she seems to take a liking to me. I don't know. Might name her Medora. Nice name. Anyway. Here we are. Pretty cool. I would assume these are railroad tracks. This is probably where the train loaded up all the bricks and took them away. I'd like to have one of these bricks, but I'm not going to do that. They probably sell them at the visitor center, which is over behind my shoulder here. So. Pretty neat. Just thinking about old times here, you know, how everything this is a factory back in its day. Carry on. One of my favorite places in Indiana. Story, Indiana. This is built in 1851. The room back here is the Blue Ladies room, if you know anything about that. This is supposed to be extremely haunted, and they let me walk into her room last time, all the rooms actually, and I knew exactly which one was hers from just going in there. Felt an extreme pressure around my chest area, which was definitely undeniable. I don't know how well you can see the stained glass in here, but it's super awesome. They've got a cool sign. They got a little tavern down here. Super cool. But they got this gardens. Listen, summertime, this is extraordinary. Come here, you can eat outside, drink beer, wine, whatever. They actually have live music here, which is pretty sweet. Look at the size of this piston. They got live music here. It's just an awesome place. Again, this is supposed to be one of Indiana's most haunted places. Boy, there's a fire somewhere that smells extraordinary, like smoked something. Oh wow, that smells so good. I'm right here by the kitchen. That's why. The music goes on back here, but they got this extraordinary gardens. There's a music hall. They can do weddings and so forth there, back in there. But this place, really cool. Really cool. So the room is, you can just see the window up there. I don't know if it's open, if they'll let us in or what, but again, I'm gonna try to get in there. Story. Come on, I'll show you. This is where you want to. This. I love this place. There she is.
Wow.
I think that's her. So let's go up here while we can. I've been here before, and right about here I feel it again. Yeah, I definitely feel it again. Oh man, it's not as strong. There it is, folks. Right here. The Blue Lady. This is her. And the room is dirty. That's the reason why we're able to come in here. But this is the room you would get. How cool. A host of ghosts. So, in case you guys didn't know, try to stand in front of this thing. That's her. Scary looking woman. there are other rooms that you can rent here. I mean, this is the Hedrick room. Very nice room.
This is so cool.
Well, these guys. And then you got, this is kind of a community room here. And then you got a couple more rooms here. You got Morrison Kelly. There's another one here. Little tiny room. Yeah. Cool. Now, I'll assume that this goes out to a patio. Cool. Patio. Come on. I like the carpet. Cool carpet. So they rent all these rooms out.
Hi. This is so cool.
Yeah. Sorry. Hello, how you doing?
Pretty good. You've been here before.
3 weeks ago?
Hi,
Abby.
Hi, honey.
Yeah, I think you were cleaning the last
Yes.
time and you let us up here.
Yeah.
Me and my friend, he had dark hair.
Yeah. I knew you sounded familiar. I heard your voice. I was like,
Did you?
that voice.
I was gonna ask you about any kind of anything you might could share with me about any experiences that you may have had.
Just the light flickering and the blue lady. I was cleaning in there, and it's a light that doesn't generally have an issue.
Yeah.
And it was just a random occurrence. I was over here just cleaning the mirror, and it flickered once I got to the top. And then I've heard music that isn't playing,
Yeah.
but other than
What's
that,
she's supposed to walk around like in a dress or something? Is
I
that?
think so, something like that.
Yeah. Oh wow, what a beautiful picture. Very cool.
Well,
Very
I'm
cool.
glad you came back.
Oh, I love this place. How cool is this? 1914. Not only this, they've got this old historic building here. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's pretty epic as well. Fort Valonia. Man, look at the mural. Beautiful mural. Pretty cool little town. This dude's a Jeeper. I love it. Let's see what it says. Bartholomew Trail. The Garrison House. We're at a cool time here. It's just like a reenactment here of a fort. I mean, maybe this is where it was, I don't know, but I love these old buildings like this. Living museum in the middle of town. Look at this, look at the construction of this thing. And it's cool because there's a little stream running through, which, you know, back in the day people would be, you know, relying on that. But if you can see the construction of this building here, this is pretty extraordinary. It's got a lock on it, so I won't be going in, unfortunately. But very, very cool. Very cool. Again, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm gonna get down the road. Garrison House. And there may be some stuff over there too, but I'll leave that for you to check out. It looks like maybe in the daytime you could come to, you know, every corner of this has a building, and you might be able to come in and go in these buildings when the visitor center, I guess this is what this is, a visitor center of some sort, is open. But damn it, temperature's dropping.